In this video, I'll show you how to edit Facebook page post. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the bell notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Head over to your Facebook page, right? I'm going to click on it. So I'm using my account for an example, right? So if you have a page, this still works out well, right? So this still works out well. So let me say this is my page currently, and I can just come on here and post something. I can just come on here and post I would be like, tomorrow is Saturday, right? Tomorrow is Saturday. Once you're done, you're gonna click on the next, right? This works well if you are still using your Facebook page. I'm just using this for an example, so as you guys would see how it works out. So click on the post right now. Once I've clicked on the post, you're gonna wait for your post to successfully upload, right? So let's wait for it. Yeah, so I think it just posted right now. Tomorrow is Saturday. So if this is your page and you love to edit this post, right? What we're gonna do right now, you're gonna click on these three dotted icons, right? Once you click on it, you'll be displayed with a whole lot of options, like a whole lot of them. So you click on this edit post, right? Let's say I want to edit this from tomorrow is Saturday to tomorrow will be a good day, right? So I'll wait for it to load up. Once it has opened up now, I'll just be like, tomorrow will be a good day, right? Once I'm done, I'm gonna click on the save. Wait for it to load up, right? So you can see I just edited this from tomorrow is Saturday till to tomorrow will be a good day, right? So this is basically how you can edit Facebook page post. If you find this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching through. I'll see you all in the very next one.